Hi everyone, it is Kristen and welcome back for another DIY video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get this beautiful aged antiqued sort of patinaed look on terracotta pots in less than 5 minutes. It's so easy. I can't wait to show you. I love the look of terracotta pots, but they really are just super plain. So I feel like this really adds a lot of character to them. So you're just going to need some warm colored white paint along with some water and some brushes. And then you'll also want kind of a mossy green paint. And we're going to water that down as well. I'm going to show you this process. It's so simple. So we're watering it down just so the paint is not so like opaque. We want it to be almost more like a whitewashed look. I found that doing, getting the brush not too wet, if you need to use a paper towel to kind of dry it off, then do so. I just use this kind of X pattern all the way across. Don't forget the little border up top. You can use a paper towel on any spots that maybe get too wet or too much paint on them. If you work quickly and kind of scrub it away, it's very easy to like cut down on the, if you get like a lot of white paint somewhere. And this does not have to be perfect. In fact, it's better if it's imperfect. It's supposed to give the look of an aged pot that sat out somewhere and had moss and things growing on it. So that's why we are also watering down our kind of mossy green paint. And I'm kind of just going in here and there, adding little bits of the green and then taking a paper towel and wiping it off. We do not want this to be a bright green color on here so that it would look fake like you painted it on. We are wanting this to look more natural. So that's why I'm kind of rubbing it in. So there's just like faint hints of this beautiful mossy green color. So it looks like it's just been sitting on someone's veranda for ages. And there's moss growing on it and stains from the water and that sort of a thing. Don't forget to add a little bit of paint to the inner rim because even if it's filled, maybe it's not going to be filled with dirt all the way to the top. So I like to just add a little bit just in case. Again, I'm using my paper towel, a little bit of the green just to kind of make it all cohesive. Again, not perfect, just very loosely doing this. In fact, it's better if it's not perfect, like I said. So here is the finished product before I've sealed it. Here is just a plain terracotta pot so you can see, I don't know, I think it just adds so much character to it and it's just really beautiful. So I use this clay pot sealer on the outside of the pot because terracotta is porous. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.